Hello everybody. Have you ever wondered where all your water comes from, even though you lived here your whole life?
I know I have, because I'm part of that 93% that gets their water publicly.
So today we'll be answering the question, so where does our water come from?
First, before any human touches our water, we get it through the water cycle.
Why'd you say human?
Human. That's how I wrote it, human.
For example, water evaporates from the ocean, it becomes clouds, and the clouds release rain and then it runs down mountains into rivers.
Like he said, with the water going down the mountains, that water comes from either snow or rain, and that is then transferred through soil or groundwater flow.
Speaking of groundwater is very important to Ventura because it's a third of our water here, and even during droughts, it's 60% of our water still.
But groundwater isn't the only place our water flows. From the mountains, our water can also flow into rivers, lakes, and sometimes reservoirs.
The definition of a watershed is an area or land that separates the water flow from different rivers, basins, or seas.
For example, an example of a watershed would be a river. A specific example would be the Ventura River, which is a valuable habitat and big part of the watershed here in Ventura County.
Another watershed would be a lake, like Lake Casitas, which does provide a lot of water to Ojai, but it also provides water for Ventura.
And Lake Casitas just so happens to be a man-made lake. Now, the reason why the process in which we get our water is important is because we get 82% of our water from our watershed.
Then the watershed distributes the water to public lands, private organization, agriculture, urban and suburban developments.
And that's where we get our water and where it goes to. Tune in next time where we talk about something else.